311 people died. 4 of them the children of the Indian commander of the Creek Volunteers in Florida. The newspaper wrote, "The fearful responsibility for this vast first induced the chartering of rotten, old, and unseaworthy."
Zero on this, because they have no backup information on it. They say they're sending servers before a patch becomes available. And they
that just happened.
That when people gained access to this, they may have gained access to quote-unquote keys, which will allow them to get back in.
Hey, bro. Bro, what the? That guy crazy.
Yep, you failed. Oh. Wah, wah. You're still in the way. You're gonna need to order some touch-up paint. Hey guys, we got a funny video for you. We'll bring it back at lunch.
Jesus. Running on the red light.
And again, we can't just move past this. How do we move past this? How about this? How about you apologize to the cop and then maybe he can move it on? I'll just tell him the cop right now. And you're harassing my employee. Your employee invited a couple of people to have dinner. The sergeant's here to talk to him. If they're anywhere here, get past this.
But yeah, no, we got some good logs. What the f***ing Nissan Altima?
Jesus fucking Christ! What is his problem? What the fuck just happened though?
We almost killed somebody, that's what almost happened.
That's how Darwinism works. Imagine what went through his head. Did he look back at us and go, oh, they're not moving that fast? Did he just not see us? Did he just not care?
I don't even know.
Someone did it stupid. Oops. Oopsie. Someone did a dumb move. I think you're gonna need a bigger vehicle than that, my friend.
That's not what the officer just told you to do, brother. Because now this person's gonna go buy him. Oh wait, no, they got it.
Oh, okay, it was a PSA officer behind us.
Dope.
He is gonna break his fucking vehicle. Ooh, you saw the back wheel of this go. Woo! Oh, fuck me in a handbasket. I got it on dash camera, so.
Gosh, Tommy just made it past us.
Picking it up.
10-4. I didn't know if you needed to say anything to us.
No, that's why I pulled up so he can get in.
What a fucking idiot! And that's why when you tow someone out of it, you have someone in the vehicle.
There was somebody in the vehicle. Dumbass. Well, I think what happened was he was catty cornered, and he didn't pull the wheel straight enough. Oh, fucking hell. Oh,
You
fuck.
know.
You know when the officer is pissed if he's cussing. Ooh, there's about 4 fucking cops now. Holy fuck.
Now, mate. Yeah, Jesus Christ.
Miles and golden plasma, my engine treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beauty focus DOU. My libido, all for you. My libido, I didn't ask all your money out today.
Dude, what are you doing? First kiss goodbye. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the?
Bro, it's
Holy. What the fuck was that?
What's that? What the heck was that, baby?
woman who pled guilty to insider trading a decade earlier in a prior scheme with Raj. When approached, she agreed to become an FBI